A wrong Kikoff payment history entry should be checked against your account activity, payment confirmations, and credit reporting details before you request a correction. By the end, you'll know how to find the incorrect payment record, what information to collect, and the steps to take when your Kikoff payment history does not match your records. Start by signing into your Kikoff account and reviewing the payment information that appears incorrect. Check the payment date, amount, account status, and any available transaction details. A payment history issue usually comes down to a mismatch between what you paid and what your account or credit records show. The first step is finding the exact entry that needs to be reviewed. Before contacting Kikoff support, gather proof of the payment. This can include payment confirmations, bank transaction records, screenshots of your Kikoff account activity, and any emails related to the payment. When you submit a support request, explain the specific problem, instead of only saying the history is wrong. Include the payment date, the amount involved, and what your records show compared with what appears in your account. If the issue involves credit reporting, review the information on your credit report to see how the account activity is being displayed. Compare those details with your Kikoff account records so you know whether the problem is with the account information or the reported information. Keep copies of every message you send and receive from Kikoff support. Tracking your request details makes it easier to follow up if the correction requires additional review. Avoid sending sensitive account information through unofficial messages or unknown contacts. Use Kikoff's official support options when asking about payment history corrections. A clear request usually includes 3 things: the incorrect information, the correct information based on your records, and documents that support your claim. The main steps are simple: identify the wrong payment entry, collect your proof, and contact Kikoff with a detailed explanation. Checking your records first helps you avoid sending incomplete information. Your next step is to open your Kikoff account, find the payment record that looks incorrect, and save the details before contacting support. If this guide helped you understand how to fix a payment history problem, like the video and subscribe for more practical account help guides.